How to see who viewed your Facebook profile. For this, you have to go ahead and open your Facebook application. Now, once you have landed here, go ahead and tap on the three-line icon at the top and then tap on your profile. From here, you have to tap on this three-dot icon next to Edit Profile. Then tap on Turn on Professional Mode. Then tap on Turn on. Once it is done, you have to do a couple of steps to finish up your professional mode setup. Then, in your home page, you will see that there is See Dashboard. Once you have finished your professional mode setup, you can find all of the analytics here. However, it will not disclose the person who have visited your profile. However, it will display in number of profile views. If you do not have this option, make sure that your Facebook is up to date. For that, open your Play Store and in this box, search for Facebook. Tap on Facebook. If there is an update, simply leave it for an update. If there is no update available, simply uninstall your application and reinstall it once again. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. So go ahead and give this a try. And thank you so much for watching.